start this.
What is up, you guys? It's Jessie May, and welcome to the series where we build our dream tiny house. In this episode, we are going to be chopping down some trees and expanding our driveway. If you're excited to get into this episode and you find any value or entertainment, make sure you give the video a thumbs up because that helps me out tremendously, and hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell because you're not going to want to miss any of the episodes where we build our dream tiny house. Tools needed: chainsaw. Apparently, I'm running the chainsaw, and I have no idea how to run a chainsaw.
Why not?
Why not?
Worst that could happen.
I know.
A little hospital call.
Oh. The nearest hospital is like a half an hour away. Maybe 45 minutes. I mean, send help. Before? He's going to demonstrate how to do it. And then, yes I am. There's also a cricket in there. He might die. Using a chainsaw didn't go so well. My tree went that way instead of that way. Happy Monday, you guys. There is possible chance of rain, hail, and gusty winds later today. It's gonna be a good day. All our logs are stacked that way when we rent the machine tomorrow. They can easily just go into the little bucket and get carried over there. The fun part will be moving all that stone.
Here, get a wheelbarrow. Mom's moving it by hand. Stay tuned.
I'm going to go get the equipment to level out our driveway and land. I don't even know if he's bringing me over the truck.
still be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You are like me.
I don't know if you can hear me, but we still have to do that area, and the driveway. It's a long day. I don't know if you heard that. Never did explain why he's leveling this out. We're getting a Tuff shed on September 15th. So we need to have a level ground for it. Just lay in the dirt. Returned our little skid steer. Bless you, Goose. And then we rented a compactor because now this is the fun part. We get to hand rake it all and then compact it all down.
I'll hold the camera.
I'm gonna help in a second.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer. No time to be sober, sunshine on my shoulders. I'm alive and breathing, living my best life. Love is on my mind and it's making me high. I'm staying in this moment, though it's hard sometimes, but I work it out every once in a while. I feel the love, I feel it growing every day. I feel the love, I feel the love. I hope it never goes away. I feel the love, love, love. Feel the love.
Oh, you were attached to that tree. Ta-da! Yeah, it's a lot of work. And then he's trying to start this machine. There it goes. Oh, it's actually quieter than I thought. My rake broke. So, this is what we're reverting to.
Stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. The summer night, the summer night.
she looks like that. You wouldn't believe how hard it is to get a permit for our Tuff shed. It's Wednesday, September 7th, and it's gonna be built on the 15th. Trying to finish leveling it because it has to be within 4 inches, or else we have to pay Tuff Shed to do the leveling, and don't want to do that because I mean we're trying anyway.
Back, and our hearts will be whole again. I want to remember all that happened to us. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, look back at this summer night, this summer night, this summer night. Oh yeah, this summer night, this summer night, oh this summer night.
How are ya?
You're okay. Rose.
Rose.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Dave from the Health Department. Web well doing some
Oh.
well permit application for
Okay.
you. So I need to see where you're planning on putting it and make sure it's okay to put it where you want to put it. They're thinking of putting it right there, right?
Yeah, that's where.
And that's a pad for a building.
Yeah.
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 And you have no bathroom. Oh, that's okay. I lost my dog at Christmas, so.
Did ya?
I'm sorry.
Yeah. Yeah. Or honestly, towards the back of the property too, because we have a decent amount of room
Well,
towards.
why don't we just get an eyeball on it
Yeah.
while I'm
yeah.
here? Because
So that was the guy from the health department to make sure wherever we put our septic is 50 feet away from the well, whatever. Blah, blah. Kevin didn't like him. But we will not be putting in a dry well, so unfortunately that will not be a part of the Building Our Tiny House series because in this county it's not legal. So we will not be putting in a dry well, and I don't think we will be putting the septic in ourselves. So yeah, but the septic is still coming soon as a contractor probably does it.
It's just a hot plate.
He was doing his job.
And filled me up. We had never met before that time, but I just knew that we'd end up. You took it, you took it, took away my loneliness. So I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, together is always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted. We jumped off the subway leading nowhere. Your warm hands rubbed off the cold around me. I heard you say that everything is alright, but how did you know how I felt? You saw right through that.
I mean, that one needs to be higher.
Yeah.
So I mean, either we can get the one high enough to be where the one is, you know. Or we're gonna end up having to cut these down.
Right.
So we could always use,
Just with the
we
leftover.
drill. Yeah,
That's what I thought we were gonna do,
it
but
was. I was just saying in general.
I know it's really dark, but you can actually see what the laser does. Sort of. You can see it over here pointing at it, but it goes around and shows you, the level of like a square footage. Does that make sense?
Shows you just the level of the angle.
Oh, it shows you the level of all the angles.
Yeah, all the way around basically the structure. Nowhere it's not going to be level.
Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, hit the little notification bell so you don't miss the Tuff shed being built, and then the rest of us building a tiny house. And also, if you find any value or enjoyment out of this video, give the video a thumbs up because it helps me out tremendously. I love you guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and I will catch you in the next episode of the series where we build our dream tiny house. Bye! That was
It's just this.
So then you see I have spent the past about hour trying to dig up this rock.